Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Priceless Clean Makeover. If you are new here, please thank you for stopping by and do not make it your last. And to my old subscribers, you guys already know I love you. Thanks for sticking around. Alright, this will be a mini bridal movement slash session vlog for me. Last weekend I had to go for this bridal walk, and this is me walking down my studio plaza to go for this bridal walk. And yes, join me as I journey to my bridal location. So I just packed my stuffs and, like I said, came down from my studio building plaza, and then this is me heading downstairs to go pack my stuff in the booths, and then off we go. Yeah, I came out and I waited for two of my students this morning, and then when they arrived we packed up and voila, off we go. So usually bridal mornings are usually therapeutic. If you have a very calm bride and a client who understands the weight and the effort, much work we put into get to your bridal locations, especially this my bride today, her bridal location happens to be in the same town with me, but unfortunately I never heard of that place, the hotel she was lodged in. So but after that morning she told me her location. I had to start sorting for the location, and even we had to use Google Map at some time to find it. So if you are a client or a bride, when you are dropping your location for your vendors, please be nice. And when you finally see us, treat us nicely, because we go through a lot to find your location. So this is me and my girls in the car, just giving you some movement vlog, and the areas we are about to reach out. I like doing this a lot, especially if I am traveling off town. So we just finally got to the location, and this is me going inside the guest house where they are lodged in. And then when I got in, I found out that at first I didn't even notice the building was a three-story building. So, and she was lodged in the third floor. The struggle to carry my makeup bag and my loads up there wasn't easy, but we have to do it anyways because we are here already. So guys, I was just climbing the stairs. I was looking around, things we go through just to make your big day successful and glamorous and memorable is not an easy one. So guys, don't be tired, just follow me through this vlog and you will find that it's worth watching. All right, meet my bride. Her name is Chiwendo Treasure, and today is her big day. So I got there, she was already dressed in her bridal shower robe waiting for me. So when I got there, we did some transition shenanigans, and then I started with her bridal hair because I happen to be her bridal hairstylist and her makeup artist. So at this point, we are just shooting her natural face to show you the transformation from bare to beauty. So she has a very thick brows, and I've carved it. As you can see, I've carved the brows already, yet it's still looking this bushy. But anyways, this is me going through her bridal hair session. She didn't tell me about installing her frontal. She wanted to do a kind of gel bridal, but then when I got there, she said a friend told her to use her frontal instead. So she booked me for the frontal urgently. I had to do it anyhow, but then I thank God it came out beautiful, came out looking so brighter. So I installed the frontal hair with a bond the friend gave to me, and then styled and laid the frontal properly. This is me doing the job that I never planned to do in the first place. So it's good to have a skill anyway. And now this is the hair after I've laid and styled the back. So moving forward to her bridal makeup session, first thing I'm doing here is to use my CPD micellar water to clean her face thoroughly, and then use my Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum to apply all over the face, allowing it to dry, and then apply my salt cream moisturizer. This moisturizer is very super good. It's just like Cetaphil moisturizer. I moisturize her lip, and now I am applying my Adventure Sweat Block on the T-zone area. This her skin prep, I use my Nigerian brands. They are also serving, they are good though. So after applying the sweat block on her T-zone area, I went in with my Stay Matte Rimmel Stay Matte primer. I will apply this all over her face except on the under eye so that the makeup doesn't smudge in there. Then I will blend it in very well and then spread the face, allowing everything to sink in together. Then I'll be moving over to foundation application. Here I am using my V Beauty foundation in the shade of, anyways, I just missed my 2 shade foundation. I can't remember, but I know it's my V Beauty foundation. So since I missed, I've forgotten the exact shades I use. But if you want to know, let me know in the comment section. I will be checking and telling you over there. Then I will be blending the foundation one part at a time all over her face, making sure it's as light as possible, because if you really do not want that heavy makeup, or your client doesn't want to wear that heavy makeup look, you start with your foundation. Then after blending in the foundation, I'll be doing her highlighting using my 2 Pro Concealer shades. First, I use my Ezekiel Pro Concealer and then seal it up with my Spotless Pro Concealer. That C I marked there is because her name is Chiwendo. I like doing this a lot. I don't know why. I'm just so addicted to this thing, but I like anyways. So after applying it, I'll be blending in seamlessly. I use 2 shades, a little bit darker shade at the outer corner of her eye, under eye, so that it will give that natural look and finishing. Then I mixed it a bit on the jaw and on the bridge of the nose and the forehead. I did the same thing all over, blending it in, making it as smooth as possible. This is very important. Now look at how it's given. It's well blended. So when you are blending in your Pro Concealer during your highlighting, make sure you blend in very light-handedly. Next, I'll be doing my blush. I like using my CPD powder blush, especially at the moment when I'm still applying my liquid or cream skin work. So I applied it as light as possible because I hate it when my client is looking all blushed up. So after blush, I will be doing my nose contour. For this nose contour, I use a 2-shade darker foundation than her natural skin. You can see it. So I used it and then outline the nose and then blend it in seamlessly. This is how it is looking. I will blend and make sure that I remove every harsh line in between. Like I will blend out every demarcation between the highlighting and the nose contouring. And then while that is done, the next thing I'm doing here is to use my setting powder. I used my RCMA setting powder is a white setting powder. Actually, it's universal, so I use it to, it's a foreign product. I use it to set all my highlighted areas. I set the under eye, the jaw, the above the lip, bridge of the nose, the forehead, and then I will use it for my reverse contour. Then after that, after the setting, I will also preset the rest of the face, or a kind of baking process, using my Bicham powder palettes in the right shade, as you can see, tapping them in, making sure everything is given. So you can see the look is already given. Then what I'm doing right here is to bake my nose contour, or set my nose contour, any language you want to use. I'm just drying the nose contour because every liquid must be dry in makeup. So either the dark shades or the lighter shades, they must be dry. Right here, I am going to be outlining my brows. I am using my Million Pauline gel liner in the shade of brown. I mixed it a little bit black so that it will pop out, because if I use only brown, giving her skin shade, skin color, it will not show well. So I mixed it a little bit black, and then I'm using it to outline the brows. After outlining the brows, I will fill it naturally and then stroke it, making sure the brows is looking very natural. So you remember from the onset, she has a very thick and bushy brows, but all those gonna be taken care of because I made sure I lay the brows well and then outline it. After outlining the brows, the next thing I'm going to be doing, like I said, is to fill in the brows and make sure it's giving everything natural. So forgive those people passing behind. Is a bridal makeup session, and then both her chief bridesmaid and the photography and videography people, the light and setup, those people, everybody is passing around, and it's a normal thing. So after the brows, I will conceal it and make sure to highlight the brows very well before applying my eyeshadow. That was what I was doing here. Right here, I've just concealed the brows, and then I'll blend it very well to make sure it is properly highlighted. And for this, I will use the same shade of pro concealers I use in highlighting the face. I am using the same shade of pro concealer so that it will not be too light or too dark. It needs to be giving the same consistency. So for the eye look, I am using my brown Cara gel liner, as you can see, for my eyeshadow base. It dries very fast, so once I apply, I blend it in, making sure it's leaving no harsh line or demarcation. It's a soft brown, and she wanted a very soft bridal eye look, and so I am using it as my base instead of a normal eyeshadow primer. So I primed the lid using this my carrot gel liner in brown shade, and then use my coffee brown shade of eyeshadow to dry it properly. And then I applied my silver mark glitters glue on the lid, and then apply my pigment. But before the pigment, I will have to use my fingers to blend the silver mark glitters glue around the lid, and then apply my pigment. This pigment is from Jedris Cosmetics. I use 2 shades of it to pop out the eye look. After applying the pigment, next thing I'm going to be doing is to fill her waterline using my black carrot gel liner. I fill the waterline and then outline the lid using it the same black carrot gel liner as my eyeliner to outline the lip. Then I apply a mascara on her first lash to bring out the volume. After that, she really has a very big natural, a very bold and high volume natural lash, because that popped out really nice after I applied the mascara. I've forgotten the brand of this my mascara because it's a new product I just got. After that, I'll be using my finishing powder to clean off those setting powder on the lip area so that I can apply her lipping. So it's a bridal makeup and the lip must be natural to blend with the eye look. So I use my baby pink Avo lip stain to highlight the lip, and then use the coffee shade to outline the lip. After that, I'll be using my blending brush to blend it over, and this is what is giving. She really have a very small lip and is giving bridal beauty. This is her. So after finishing the makeup, she used this for her bridal shower with her girls, and then after that she switched back to her proper bridal regalia. So this time I have to apply her lip gloss to make the lip pop out more. This is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think about this bridal makeup? I hope you guys like it. Please, if it's your first time of seeing Priceless Clean Makeover Studio, please like, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. So let's hear her bridal review reaction.
To see myself.
All right.
Wow! Wow! I look beautiful.
Who is your makeup artist?
Priceless Clean. Thank you. Can you bride? Ever.
Never, ever.
Ever.
Never.
Ever.
Never. The bride, the joke.
Priceless nothing.
Nothing. Premium.
Priceless nothing.
Premium.
Well, look at her.
Thank you, baby.
So beautiful.
Thank you,
So
baby.
demure.
Okay. Alright guys, that was a very beautiful and heartwarming bridal review reaction from my bride, and you can tell she rocked the makeup very well. This makeup stayed 24 hours non-breaking. I didn't even have to touch her makeup. So if you are booking for your bridal makeup, book your right vendors. They will give you premium services. I am Priceless Clean Makeover, and this is my bridal mini vlog and movement session. Thank you guys for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get more videos from me. Also, let me know what you think about this bridal session in the comment section. And then look at my bride in her full regalia. She ate and left no crumb. She gave 101% bridal vibes, and I loved it. You can see both the skin, the brows, the eye look, the lip, the dress, the hair. Just rate this glam, rate this bridal work. Is giving, and she loved that glam. That's what matters. Bye guys.